guys, for this episode, for this video, you're gonna need a Nerf gun and tape and a flashlight, and then I'm gonna stick it on in about 1 second, and I'm done. You can see the button. You can see the button. You can see the clear tape. It's all done. Hoot, hoot, hoot. Then you got yourself a light and Nerf floor. You got yourself a light. You got yourself a light. The Nerf gun war. I'm gonna add a little more tape. And I'm gonna test it out in a really dark closet that has a light, but I think it doesn't work. Okay. Okay, added a little more tape to it. I hope that's strong. It's supposed to be strong. Okay, let's add a little more. Add like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add like 5 layers of tape. If you have a heavy light, use like 5 layers of tape. Cause this is not like kids light. This is like grown-ups light. Like what you use for work and stuff. It's my dad's. I'm just using it for this experiment, for this life hack. In case you're like blinded, you could go like this, turn on the light, and then you shoot somebody. It's a life hack. And then I got no, my bullet. Look, I got 4 bullets in there. It's nothing. Got 4 bullets. They're random ones, I don't care. I'm just using random bullets right now. I'm sick. Run away, bullet. No, I made myself. How could you, bullets? These bullets are a little hard, and I'm gonna go test out the Nerf gun. Just gotta load it. Load it, cha-ching! Let's go test it out. In 3, 2, 1. And wait, I messed that up. In 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, this is the dark room I'm talking about. We're gonna do this room and watch. That works. This gun works actually, guys. If you saw that, then you could turn off the light, turn it back on. If you saw that, guys, it's a neat life hack with the Nerf gun. It's a neat, since you're in the dark, you can be like going around, be shooting them. I have a Nerf gun. I got a minigun. I got this one. I got a bunch of them, guys. Also, I forgot what I was gonna say. Peace, guys. I hope you subscribe. Leave a like if you like this if you like this video. Peace.